Hi guys, it's me Duches and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, join us as we explore and eat at Gala Food Park located in Pasay City. I've heard so many great things about this place and I can't wait to share our experience with you. So let's go guys! We've just arrived in front of Gala Food Park and this is what it looks like from the outside. It already gives off the Japanese vibe and I'm super excited to go inside. So here on the ground floor, they have a nice waiting area, a photo spot perfect for Instagram. And something unique, a wall of wishes. This wall of wishes is actually free. You just need to find a blank wooden plaque, write your wish and hang it up here. This is where you can choose and wear a yukata. The best part, the rental is free, but there's a catch. You need to buy food and eat on the second floor, then present a valid ID and receipt of your food. If you don't have a valid ID, you can still rent one for only 100 pesos. Unfortunately, yukata rentals are not available for kids. They also have so many colors and designs to choose from. Look at this one, it is my favorite. I love the color and the floral design. The staffs here are kind and helpful. If you don't know how to wear it, don't worry, they will assist you. Tada! What do you think? I feel like I'm in Japan. My sister and my mom also got their own yukata. Don't we look amazing? Now, let's head upstairs and check out the food stalls and the restaurants. Look at this entrance. It's giving off strong Japanese vibes. Wow! Almost everyone is wearing yukata. It really feels like we are in Japan. The place is also Instagram worthy, perfect for photos. They also have a simple playground here for kids, which is great for families. There are so many different restaurants to choose from, offering different Asian cuisines. They have Hong Kong restaurant, Thai restaurant, here are some Thai foods. They also have Italian restaurant, Japanese restaurants, Korean restaurant, seafood restaurant. We decided to eat at this Taiwanese restaurant. From the Taiwanese restaurant, we got black pepper beef, pork knuckle, and braised pork. We also ordered some Japanese food like takoyaki and California maki. For drinks, we tried dragon fruit shake, halo-halo, and Spanish cold latte. Here are the prices of the Taiwanese dishes that we ordered, and some prices from the other restaurants as well. Pretty reasonable for the experience. Here's where we ordered our Japanese food, takoyaki, 150 pesos for 4 pieces, and California maki, 180 pesos. And here's where we ordered our drinks. We really enjoyed our meal. The food were delicious and the entire experience from the yukata to the Japanese ambience was amazing. It really felt like we were in Japan. And that's it for today's vlog. We had so much fun at Gala Food Park. From the beautiful yukata experience to the delicious food, this place is definitely worth visiting. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog!